In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a YouTube video to Figma. Start by opening FigJam in Figma. Next, go to YouTube and find the video you want to add. Copy the video's URL from the address bar. Return to your FigJam board and paste the YouTube link directly onto the canvas. FigJam will automatically generate a video preview from the link. Once the preview appears, click on it to select it. Copy the embedded video preview using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now open the Figma design file where you want to place the video. Paste the copied video onto your Figma canvas using Ctrl+V or Command+V. The YouTube video will appear as an embedded element inside your design file. You can move and resize the video just like any other object in Figma. To test it, click the video preview and use the play button to make sure it loads correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube video to Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.